Rotary Club Lokokatakwin Yesat Bon Kanam Kaga Oponi Tegera Lo Erai Lopoti Governor Kenneth Sebalu Lo Rotary Club District Ikanyangonya Radio Pekediuni.
This certifies that the Rotary Club of Katakwi, Uganda, having been duly organized and having agreed through its officers and members to be bound by the Constitution and bylaws of Rotary International, which agreement is evidenced by the acceptance of this certificate, is now a duly admitted member of Rotary International, recommended by Mike Kenneth Sebalu, District Governor, and Jennifer Jones, President, Rotary International.
Governor Sebalu Nyesi Obu Ijao imebana kaisa ndio pelu opoti wadika unoska Rotary Club Lokokatakwin.
Singular honor and privilege to induct you as a member of the Rotary Club of Katakwi. Bring value to Katakwi, be available for service. Rotary being a membership organization, this is your certificate of membership.
Obi Islamic Professor Francis Omaswa kano ara otedio pete kangunulu epolo kitoza Apollo ka aitopoli klabun loka Rotary-Katakwi na ko Uganda.
He is an amazing president of the very first Rotary Club in the country called Uganda, and that is the Rotary Club of Kampala. He is closely associated with some of the most outstanding Rotary programs. Many of you have heard about the Gift of Life, and many of you have also heard about the Heart Institute in Mulago. Those are and were started with a great effort of people, distinguished Ugandans like Professor Francis Omaswa.
Akalona isu kunyoni mebana akaisa unikidiope Governor Kenneth Sebalu Nyesi Obu Esiboikin Dr. David Okiror kwape President lo sodilu local Rotary Club of Katakwi neda oponi ijaikinere Nyesi iswamaeta.
As the team leader, as the president of the Rotary Club of Katakwi Authority, yes, he is going to preside over meetings of this club, yes, and therefore he needs these instruments to help him out manage the affairs of the meeting.
Ikotakirwa nenida ya President Loponi Esiboikin Dr. David Okiror Nyesi Obu otema ebe ationo noi adolo nitoni apakino apukorere e club blockage.
It has been full of challenges. Me knocking because those asking for dues and also reminding them every time during meetings to pay their dues. But I'm very happy that this day has come to pass. I was a Rotary since 2017 by university. So when I came to Katakwi, it was actually challenging for me to continue my Rotary journey.
Eja sumunuda Simon Ojele lo erai President local Rotary Club na Kosoroti Central Nyesi Obu watema ebe ipu ache atukono local Rotary no ebeite apukor apakina esupana.
So next month we will also be chartering another club in Mora. We have also done Rotary Club, Soroti University, that will also be chartered soon. And then we also have 2 Interact clubs in Teso College Aloit and then in Halshon High School.
Kaloka TV East, Francis Ochen, Kodisuta Kalokatakwin.